Hi everyone, Dr. Chavone. I thought might be helpful for you if we review the instructions for Module 5 assignment. So far in this course, the material has covered how to access data, how to use the databases, how to look for quality, critique quality of evidence, peer review, for example. Um, the discussion last week was on quantitative research. This week, the discussion is about participating in an implementation or intervention. Last week, for the assignment, you developed a conceptual model. So this week, looking at data collection and developing a tool. So select a research topic that interests you and think about how you're going to collect data about that topic. The tool that you develop can be simple, can be like 5 questions based on a Likert scale. It could be on a having the participant rate something from 0 to 10. Can look at satisfaction, can be a survey with one word answers. So you think about the tool that you want to develop. And the next step is to ask 3 subject matter experts for their feedback about the tool that you developed. And the way you are to ask them for feedback is to have an interview. So that interview can be one-to-one, or it can be through uh, through email. Um, Most people do a one-to-one in-person interview with their colleagues at work because you have access to nurses who are subject matter experts on different areas of research topics. So to design an interview that you will put forth for each subject matter expert. So did they think that the wording on the tool captured the concept? Did it represent that concept? Were the instructions for the tool clear? What was the tool feasible for a participant to complete? What was the appearance of the tool? Was it inviting? Were the uh, answer boxes adequate for the tool? So those are just examples, but think about, well, what do you want to know about this tool that you developed? And if you remember from research classes, their validity of a tool, there are different stages or aspects of validity. One is face validity. On the face of it, does this tool measure what it's supposed to measure on the face of it? So that's what you're going to do. And then you will, of course, in your essay, show your tool. Usually in an appendix, you're going to first discuss your research paradigm or research topic, discuss the development of the tool. You will discuss the subject matter experts. You will uh, present the interview about the tool, the questions that you ask the subject matter experts. You will then summarize the responses, and you will, indicate their thoughts about the effectiveness of the tool, and then you will comment on any recommendations for change in the tool and describe how those changes would be implemented. Okay, so I hope that clarifies the assignment for you. And it is to be a 15 to 1750 word essay, like before, with APA style, and at least three scholarly sources to support the essay. Generally, also, I do suggest looking at the APA manual for how to insert figures or tables, how to add appendices onto the document. I think those might help you. And, review the rubric, review the Turnitin report, and attend to any highlighted areas from the Turnitin report to avoid plagiarism. Be sure to include an introduction and a conclusion to your paper, also a title for your paper. Okay, so I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. I am available for appointments in the virtual classroom, so feel free to contact me. And I wish you the best.